Welcome to the learning outcomes of section 10. In the previous section, we identified and resolved resources issues. We resolved the overutilization of the resources by adjusting the start and finish times of the different activities. At the end of this process, we obtain the start and finish dates of the activities, how we will plan the project. Now we have to add the cost. First point in this section is to identify the different types of costs that we can find in a project environment. Second point is to calculate, to find tools and techniques to estimate the costs. We will again use the 3-point or the Pmtt technique to estimate the cost like we did with the duration estimates. Very important definition in this section is related to tangible, intangible and level of effort activities. We need these definitions, these differences we have to understand when we will be using earned value management parameters. We will have a short introduction of these parameters in this section also. Then we look at budget loading. How will we load the cost to the activities? We can look at the early start loading, late start loading. Elements like that are very important. We look at the determination of the critical path position. How will our project with the actual or the planned start and finish date relate to the early start position and the late start position? This is an important concept in project management because the critical path position will give you an idea of the flexibility that you have in your project. We look at those earned value parameters that I already spoke about. We just give a short definition of them, nothing more. We will come back to those during the project execution. And finally, determine the company budget that's related to the project and demonstrate all of this with a practical exercise. So let's get started. Grab some paper, grab your calculator and get ready, and I see you in session 3.